Hi everyone, in today's quick video, because I realized no one really wants to watch long videos of mine, so I'll show you how to share photos, videos, PDFs, anything with other devices. And I'm not talking about actual AirDrop on iPhone, because maybe you would like to send something to Windows laptop, maybe your PS4, maybe your projector, whatever, and it doesn't have actually AirDrop. So let's start this video, and it's gonna be really quick and easy. By really quick and easy, I mean actually really quick and easy. You just need to go to the website snapdrop.net, and then you'll see a screen like this. Here you can see my phone with randomly choose name, and also laptop with also randomly choose name. And now you can see how fast it's working. Let's say I'll press on my phone right here, and let's say I'll choose my resume, and let's press open right here. Okay, and look, it's already here on my phone. If I press save, boom, it's there. It's so easy. Alright, let's say I would like to send one of my wallpapers to my laptop. So I'm just pressing what I want to send, like this, and already is here. I can press save, and boom, ta-da, it's saved. So fast. So that's actually all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in other videos. Bye. And also, if you can leave a like and subscribe to the channel, thank you.